What's up, YouTube? It's Melting Metal Anthony here. I got a small project I'm gonna do today. Dude called me up earlier today, said, hey, I got an aluminum trailer. Can you weld that mobile? I said, yeah, I got a spool gun. I'll take care of you. So he said his taillight fell off. He's not around. He'll be here in a few minutes. But I think it's pretty safe to say that's the taillight he's talking about. All right, so let's see what we got underneath the duct tape. All right. Ew. Somebody tried to repair that before, huh? Didn't know what the fuck they were doing. All right, well, it's a lot of fucking wiring. Shit. All right, well, we'll try to figure this out. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty fucking bad. Look at that. It's not good at all. All right. Look, the nosy neighbor. Look at him. All right, so now we won't melt it and we can shove it back through. I verified that. We got the light out. Got our empty housing here. So we just got to prep this out and then weld it up. The beautiful thing about aluminum is you really don't need to grind the ground off. If you guys want to see how to hook up your Trailblazer or 14-pin Miller connector to a spool gun, a 30A Spoolmatic to be more specific, I'll put the video that I did on that in the description down below, and you guys can go ahead and check that out. All right, we're going to start by prepping this out. I got everything all set up and ready to go. Get it done. Now I'm gonna acetone it. I like to acetone after I get my first grind, so that way I knock off all the oxidization and kind of leave it loose floating. I know a lot of guys like to do the acetone first, but the problem is the rag gets caught up in the old welds, and then you just end up with pieces of rag. I know a lot of guys say that it pushes any sort of oxidization into the material. I just don't believe that. I haven't had bad results doing it this way, so this is how I do it. Pretty clean. All right, so the only thing I have left to do is throw a gusset in it and then pop the tail light back in, and then we're gonna be good to go. The customer requested the gusset, so we're gonna go ahead and knock that out for him. So I brought several different series aluminum with me because he asked for a gusset over the phone, because I didn't know what series they made this trailer out of. It's looking like a 4000, maybe a 5000 series, and I'm pretty sure that's what this is, and I'm just kind of matching it up by how the coloration is. I don't really get too technical when it comes to this because 4043, it doesn't matter. It'll eat through whatever series aluminum, and that's why I keep the 4043 in my spool gun. So I'm gonna go ahead and acetone the piece down before I go ahead and cut it. It's got some rust marks and stuff just from sitting around and kicking around the steel that I have in my shop. So I want to give myself all the advantages that I can. I'm gonna cut this edge off because it's kind of ate up. It looks like it's got some grease sitting in it. So we'll probably cut a couple of inches off, sacrifice that, and then go ahead and make our line and then make our gusset out of it. Pretty dirty.
Think you got enough on there? That's beautiful.
Thank you.
That's beautiful weld.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. You're on state road. Hey, Anthony, I gotta go meet a guy. That's what that call was about. All right, we good? I trust you to finish.
All right, guys. So there it is. It's all welded back on. All right, guys, we are done. The customer's already prepaid me. We're all set, all ready to go. I just got to clean up and get the heck out of here. Little aluminum repairs like this, that's why it's great to have that spool gun that can hook right to your Trailblazer. If you have a Trailblazer or something with a 14-pin connector, can make you a lot of extra money because most guys around here can't do mobile aluminum. I'm one of the few who can. But anyway, this job's complete. I'll catch you on the next one. If you liked any of the things you see me working with today, my spool gun, my WC24 connector, any of that stuff, the links will be in the description below where you can go and purchase yourself one, all right? Anyway, you guys have a great day. Keep dragging rod, keep pushing MIG. I'll catch you next time, okay? See you later.